Hello friends and welcome of you at your Drones Academy. Today we are in the section of the innovations. So as I promised you every time if we are in the innovation section, I present you two new innovations that's coming up into the drones world. So today I have picked for you two of these innovations. The first one is what's called the Air Sea drone. Air Sea drone. As you can see, this drone is very unique because if you are a man or a woman and your job is to get out into the sea, probably if you get one of these drones, you won't have to go into the sea. All you have to do is to pick one of these drones, then remotely control it, send it to your work location, holding all the devices that you need at your job. For like this one, it's taking a submersible, this submersible which is doing your job, let go of it. Once it's settled on the sea surface, remotely controlled, then this submersible will do your job, will do all your work. Once it's being finished, as you can see, it's totally, the air drone is controlled remotely, as well as the submersible, it is controlled remotely. No need for you to be at the location of your work. It's all being done remotely, and that's what's the beauty of this Air Sea drone. Then the submersible picked up and send it back to your base location. Now the second innovation is a beautiful one. It's called the solar panel cleaner, but what interests me of this is that what I will show you in the video. Actually, what's interesting about this drone, about this innovation, is how the sensors of the drones have come through. I mean, the sensors is becoming so accurate, and let me show you what I mean. Let's see this drone. When it moves near to the wall, near to the inclined wall, near to the panels, let's see how the sensors sense the distance between the drone and between the panel, and accordingly it's giving the orders to the drone to gradually approaches from that panel. And that's what amazed me, is that we are now reaching to the level of sensors that is so accurate that it can move the drone inch by inch, even less than that probably, into a point where the drone can rest on any surface, even if it's inclined, like what we are seeing now. And even though it's carrying a cargo, as you can see now, the drone is not only the drone, it's actually carrying a cargo that is cleaning the panel. But the point is that what I wanted to say is that the level of the accuracy that the sensors now getting up to, it can decide and move the drone by inches, and that's what amazed me about this innovation from this company. Again, I hope that these innovations, you saw them as good ones, and I hope that you have liked this video, and I thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.